Get an exclusive first look at the future of luxury living in Hallandale Beach. Welcome to the construction site of Oasis Hallandale. We're giving you a behind-the-scenes tour of the progress we've made and a glimpse into the exciting features that will make this development truly one of a kind.
From stunning architectural design to world-class finishes, every detail of Oasis Hallandale has been carefully planned to offer premier modern living. These spacious floor plans, luxury amenities, and sophisticated design elements will set a new standard for South Florida living.
With exclusive amenities like state-of-the-art fitness center, multiple gyms, co-working spaces, and much more, Oasis Hallandale is the premier destination in Hallandale Beach.